GM, everyone. Welcome back to another GC Crypto episode. Wow, what a night, Craig. We're waking up to an absolute blood market. Everyone dumps. America dumps. Every time we wake up, Craig, it's either ridiculous things going on or we wake up to dumps, man. People should just move to Australia and then you wouldn't dump. People wouldn't dump.
I don't know what's going on with the water over there, but yeah, GM, everyone. Hello, good morning. Just woke up to a bit of red, man, which is not too bad. Just an opportunity, I suppose, to look at some stuff, get some entries. I wanted some entries into some more abstract memes. I suppose I'm going to get that now, which is nice. But not really anything too well. What's Bitcoin at, Greeny? 117,000.
Yeah, no, BTC's holding up like a king, man. It's going nowhere. It's at 118 still, I think.
I might actually buy some more Bitcoin at this level, soon. I've got a bit of money on the side that I've been waiting, and I think it's just cooking at that 117 on the low, so I'm pretty keen to buy around there. But all good. To be honest, it's a good thing because I wanted to put a bit more money into things. So look, I probably would have loved to just woken up and it's just everything was still sending, but I'll take this. I see NFTs have cooled off a little bit. Some have pulled back. Some have pumped. Actually, Captain's pumped. Which is pretty funny to me. Clones moved a bit, some pulled back, but yeah, everything's looking pretty cozy. But I'm in a buying mood, really.
And that's fair. And I mean, like, I know chat, but Craig looks absolutely bronze since he's come back from his little hiatus over the weekend at his $1 billion resort. So pretty dope to see a bit of a flavor on your skin, mate.
After studio makeup, man.
Yeah. I mean, I look pale. It's probably why I'm sick, man, because I haven't seen any sun for a while. Dude, I'm gonna keep complaining about my ear till it's not bloody.
Is it still playing up?
It's shocking, man. And I went to the doc on the weekend. He's like, yeah, look, it is getting better. It's going to take up to 6 weeks. And I was like, 6 weeks? I was like, bro, I can't be listening out of one ear. If I'm like lying on a pillow, I literally cannot even hear anything. Like, that's how blocked it is in this side. So
yeah, that sucks, dude. That fucking sucks.
Anyway, sorry, chat. I had to go grab my laptop. Craig, I got stopped out on that trade. I'm furious, man. I'm so furious. Like, it's up 4x overnight on slop, and I got stopped out because I was too aggressive on my stop loss. Oh well, we move on to the next trade.
What chain was it on, Greeny?
I was on slop. This one here. Let me pull it up.
Sol?
Yes, on Sol.
Yeah, cool.
After Tolly's tweet yesterday, it was a really nice breakout. Hold on, where is it? Here we go. Yeah, really nice breakout last night. But I had my stop loss below these lows because it looked like we are gonna pump from here, this breakout here. And so I went to bed, like classic, went to bed, put my stop loss here. I literally just got stopped out, and then of course it bloody sent. So look, you can't win them all, chat. Here's another evidence of me not winning it, but here I'm transparent. I'm talking about, so it went just below the 786, took out the swing lows, and then went absolutely nuts. So maybe I should be a bit more protected, but hey, at least we're identifying the right trades. We're in the right setups, and unfortunately didn't quite get to capture that one. Same on abstract. A few tokens have disappointed over the past few days. WTC just didn't break out with a lot of strength. We're seeing correction across the board, as is mentioned in the title. So today is probably a good conversation to have about opportunity. and where red is often the best opportunity in a bull market, and green is very often a time that you should look to DCA out or to sell and take some profits. I mean, I actually took some profits yesterday again on a few trades, Craig. Again, I'm not trying to time the tops, but I want to walk away profitable over time. Like that's the secret sauce here, guys. Like I'm not trying to say I told you so, and I'll say I told you so if I did sell at the top, because I'll say I nailed that. But at this point in time, I was like, look, some of these trades are up tremendously. So again, I'm not gonna. I like the teams and stuff that these trades are in. I'm just because I'm a trader, I'm here to make money. I will take trades. I won't publicly post them on Twitter because I'll probably get wrecked. But you got to walk away, Craig. So I took some more P on Pengu because it's at all time. Well, it's rejecting from all time highs. I still have a 10K bag of Pengu, but which is still generous, but I've taken quite a lot off the table there. I sold some Memecoin as well because it was up tremendously, obviously, since the bottoms. It was up 3x since when I was bought, and I was like, well, look, 3x is pretty nuts. I'm happy with that. Like, how much extra are you really going to get out of this? Like, maybe like and I was seeing people like ape into crazy levels. Like, I was seeing people ape in massive levels at the highs. I was like, okay, that's a bad sign. That's a bad sign. So
Yeah.
I just
me, Rick.
Yeah. So here we go. So here it is. So it's now also down. I sold half of my bag at the top, and then I sold the other half about here yesterday. So I did time technically half the bag at the top, but that didn't time. So am I interested in getting back into this? Bloody yes, very much so. And I probably am back towards the 0.5, 0.6 if we see that. Two ways I want to see either this price action play out, and I'll talk about this too, Craig. Like, a lot of things are overextended on high timeframes too, which means we need to chill. We need to chill. Otherwise, if we keep pumping from here, oh my God, I sell everything. I probably do sell everything. So what I'm looking at here is pretty much like, you want to see price action go sideways like this, okay? Like this. Or you want to see it correct, like I've kind of drawn here, where it comes down to lower fibs, and that's where we become interested. So yeah, I mean, I literally bought this low here. I was up like 3x or something crazy. So I was like, look, scale that. It was a couple $1,000. I was like, look, I'm happy with that. Like, again, like if you see a chart like this, I mean, let me just clean this up and just show you. Okay? This is the weekly chart. Like, I love the rec boys. I love the rec team. Hopefully we'll get Mando on the show soon. But like, I mean, if you see a chart like this, Craig, you have to click sell. You have to take some profit off the table.
You do. You do. I do. I sell those. I like selling the tops of those. They're pretty easy sells, man. I don't know what more of a sign you need to take profit than candles like that. If you're not taking profit at the top of that, I don't think you ever will.
No.
When do you another 2 times that? Like, you got to think to yourself, so what point is your greed going to be satisfied? And if you haven't taken profit on I mean, how many X's is that on those candles? Like,
well, like if you bought the breakout low, like if you bought the absolute low, you are up 25x. So I didn't. So that's what you got to think. That's who you're comparing it to, right?
Correct.
So you need to think about, okay, if someone's up 25x and I'm up 3x, I should probably sell before then, because they probably have a bigger bag than me as well, right?
Yeah. And they'll be watching that chart, and as soon as they see weakness, they'll cut, just to obviously keep they'll go from a 25x to a 22x, but they still safe as houses, where you'll go from a 3 to a -2 fucking real quick.
Very quick. So that's my thesis on why I sold Subrect. I sold some Pengu as well. I've been dribbling a little bit of LARP lines this morning, GTG, but pretty much my thoughts are the same here. And we spoke about this on stream last week as well. Let me just clean this up. There we go. This is a big level for Pengu to get past. I don't know where. Wait, what? Why is this marked? I don't know why specifically this one's. Yeah, 3-day. Okay, here we go. So 3-day, we have yet to close above the 4.3 cent mark for Pengu. Thus, I was like, Greeny, you are up 8x on this trade. I was someone who bought the bottom of Pengu, Craig. I was someone, and then I also bought more here at this low. So I was up 8 to 9x. I was looking to take profit here. I still think Pengu and Rect are some of the best tokens and will continue to be the best tokens moving forward this year. But bro, if you're up a tremendous amount, guys, click sell, man. Click sell. We're here to make money. We're not here to make round trip our gains back to zero, man. PO went absolutely viral, Craig, overnight with talk to me about a 2021 law story. And it's like over 1 million views on his post. It's nuts. It's absolutely nuts. Everyone's done it. And so I did it this morning as well. Like, GG's to PO for that post. But But I was thinking like I round trip my gains. I chased my losses in 2021. I didn't have a plan, never took profits. And yeah, I walked away pretty much in debt with a car loan, with tax loan, and lost money to a scam. And I was hating my life. So I don't want to have that happen again. So here I am, taking some profits. Now, do I become interested in this again? Yes. Back towards these levels, back towards the 3 cent, the 2.5 cent mark, staying patient as we have all cycle, Craig, executing when other people don't want to execute, take a profit when no one wants to take profit, buying when no one else wants to buy. That's what we've done absolutely all cycle. So keeping an eye on this. But yeah, pretty much what I think Pengu is going to do is what SPX just did, Craig, where it rejected from its previous high. Okay. It consolidated here for a bit and then hit some fibs and then went absolutely crazy. Okay. And I think that's what Pengu is about to do. Reject from its high here, give us a little bit of consolidation, and then pump straight through and take out the highs moving forward. So draw this, clip this. That's what Pengu will do.
I hope so. I hope so. Yeah, no, I'm pretty keen to load up some more bags of that bad boy.
Yeah.
Man, I'd love a deeper pullback to the 0.5 there, but I am watching Pengu. I'm watching a few abstract memes. God would be good to get into.
Yes.
I see maybe actually Delixit Retspa is what I'm looking at. I'd love to get into that.
Yes.
I've been waiting. Actually, I mean, talking on stream yesterday and all of them pumping, right? And I said, I've been waiting for this moment to get in because I wanted to go heavy, and I guess we're going to get it now. So Guna and Retspa are my two that I kind of want to get into, that I kind of regret having exited a lot earlier in the piece. So those are two I'm eyeing up, possibly Dark Pengu as well.
Yeah, I have a bag of Dark Pengu. I'm just staying patient. I think I kind of agree with Eli's thesis. Like, well, it is a cup and handle, I suppose, is another way you could say that trade sets up. I agree with Eli that if abstract does allow dark mode, then it'll go absolutely nuts. Depeng will go nuts.
Yeah,
whether they actually do dark mode or not, they probably should. Like
they really should.
From a retina POV, like bro, like your eyes are just bloody. Like you have it open on the screen. Like even if I have the stream open, I'm like, oh my god.
Yeah, I know. Same. It is quite offensive.
So yeah, I like Retspa back towards this area. I mean, I have a big bag, Craig. I did sell a little bit again into this pump as well, but I will gladly buy some more of Retspa. I think it has a good opportunity. Same as Guna, bit of a pullback on it, and I become very interested again back towards the $4 million mark. I sold all my Abstar personally. Now that meme coins have equal distribution of XP or better XP across all of them, is better probably representation of that.
Yeah,
it nearly doesn't make sense for me to hold an asset at 30 million, because if I'm going to get a 3x, I would gladly buy the other ones that are going to give me a 3x probably easier than something like Abstar. So, I mean, if you're up tremendously on this, and I'm talking specifically to a few people who are up a stupid amount of money on this, please take some off the table.
I wonder if people scaled out at the tops of those bad boys.
You wanna hope so. God looks really good here, personally. God actually looks pretty bloody good, to be honest.
That thing's so annoying how I didn't go deep onto that, man. That's so annoying.
It actually could go higher here. I don't know. We'll wait and see.
Bro, I bought $100 on stream with you. No, it was with Eli last week. When you were away.
Yeah.
Sick. And I was up, bro. I did it just to support Nish. And fucking the next day, bro, I was up like 3x.
Yeah. No.
It was ridiculous. And I was like, damn it, why didn't I just put everything on that fucking coin? Anyway, story, usual story. But that thing's a beast, bro. I just can't get back into it on that breakout. I've got it. Yeah. My $100 is 300, but I'm too scared to get back into it because if that breaks down, I will fucking get so angry at myself if I enter here. But it looks, I don't know, man. That could break up. What do you think?
Look, I actually think this could continue high here. So, this is one I didn't, let me just check my wallet. I scaled out of a few this morning, either weakness or taking profits.
Yeah.
That is one I did not sell any of because it is showing all right strength here. So yeah, I actually don't mind this. I actually don't mind it here at all. So, Nish is in my chat. I appreciate the support, boys. You're welcome, Legend. You're welcome. Bro, I think this could continue high. I mean, the whole project, the whole meme, the whole point of it, I like it.
It's quality, isn't
Yeah.
it? Compared to the other stuff, it stands out.
Yeah.
The art's great. The backstory, like you said, is great. It's kind of like WTC in the way that it's got a bit of lore, but it seems like the holders of this coin respect the coin
Yeah.
a bit more than WTC.
Yeah.
I don't know what's going on with WTC. I won't bag it out too much, but Jesus, the
Yeah.
chart was horrendous. Bro.
No, we'll look at that chart in a minute.
Yeah.
We cut it because it just was showing too much weakness. Penguru, I bought a bit of this the other day. I'm up a little bit as well. I think I did scale a little prof here. Again, kind of a cool meme based on what Lucas said. Also has a bit of an AI product on their website. So again, like it's nice to see these evolving meme coins, Craig. Like
And trying stuff, aren't they? They
yeah,
do,
exactly.
and maybe a gimmick and maybe a bit. It's not. They're not changing.
Yeah, it's a little bit cringe, but it's still at least effort, right? It's more effort than some random IP on a penguin, right? Like
Yeah.
Oh shit.
I mean, at least give us the sense of illusion that there's something happening in the background. It may only be illusion, but sometimes that's all we need for the chart to go up. So
Yeah.
as long as it looks like you're doing a few magic tricks for me, I'm entertained, right? So,
Yeah,
but if
agreed.
they do no magic, I'm not. So
Yeah. Agreed. So no, SMP is another one that went. We watched on stream yesterday. I think I bought in around this level here, about 300K. So, or maybe a little bit higher. But yeah, no, this one's funny. Like they put in effort. If they keep the thing is they can do one good video, but if they do 10 good videos, that's the difference, right? Like,
I'm seeing a few ETH and Soul. Well, not a few. I saw one. I saw Yakuza. He shielded today.
oh shit, that's a name I haven't heard of for a while.
I know, bro. And I'm like, what is he onto abstract memes, or have they put this onto ETH or Soul?
Oh,
Because I'm like, I've never seen him show an abstract meme. I'm like, what?
I think I still follow him. Let's have a look. My internet must be Yakuza Daddy. Yeah, I do follow him. Yeah. So he's talking about it now too. Yeah, right. Okay, but that's cool, man. Like that's what I mean. Like this is what Craig, Eli, and I have been speaking about for a long time because we've come from Solana, we've come from Ethereum at the start of the cycle, right? You like the memes that work are viral for funniness, for culture, for like good efforts, right? Good meme efforts, and this is a good effort. So something like this, Craig, it fascinates me far more than buying app stuff. It really does. And now that you get XP for like these sort of tokens and stuff, and also we're trying to make money. Like everything's not about XP. You're still trying to walk away with money. Something like this is definitely up my alley. Definitely up my alley. So, and I mean, it's right up your alley too, man. I know it is. So I like that. It's showing us that meme coins on abstract are evolving.
Yeah, I like the look of that, and I especially like the look of Ethereum and Sol degen people coming
over.
Yeah, that because the amount of money they can bring, the amount of eyes. Yakuza's one of the guys that's been in the space a long time, run successful channels, called some pretty good stuff.
Yeah,
been around for years, pretty well connected, pretty well known.
Yeah.
The fact he's dabbling just tells me there will be other people dabbling, and he calls to a group. So if he's on there putting that on the timeline, it's a good sign. And if we get another 10 people like him, what's that market cap at now? 620? That's tiny, bro.
Oh, bro, this is
so tiny. Like that could go 10 million in a day. I'm not saying it will, guys. Don't ape into this. I'm just saying when a wave of Ethereum or Sol traders comes to abstract, it will happen extremely quickly because 620 market cap is so small. Someone comes in like him and just puts 2 ETH into a chart, and then copy traders come, boom, boom, boom. Yeah. Anyway, happy days. I'm glad to see that happening, and I think we'll slowly see more and more people to the point where I think you and I will be talking on stream in 3 months' time, maybe, and going, "Oh, fuck, that dude's in, that dude's in, that." And in fact, it'll get to the point where we don't talk about it anymore. It just is.
It's the norm, yeah. And I want to clarify a few things because I had a few DMs yesterday or pings in GTG about Greeny. Why did you top blast into this when you normally like to buy low? And the reasons is exactly why Craig just mentioned, right? It's literally only a couple $100K. Yeah. This could easily be a several multi-million-dollar meme if the right people keep talking about it. If the meme keeps on going, people keep creating content, and new traders come to the chain. Like by far, this like it. And I suppose people and they're like, oh yeah, I kind of get it, but they just like until you like again. This is why we do what we do, Craig. We're trying to educate other people because we've lived it, we've breathed it, we've traded it, we know how to identify these trends. We know when things look bad, when things look good, and when things are probably going to run. If they like, we might get this wrong. Maybe no Solana meme coin traders, no ETH bulls come over, and it does just eventually go to zero. Sure, but it has all the right catalysts to be something that could go way more. Okay, and you're still so early on Abstract. I mean, like, Craig, I think you commented on this too last night, but where is it? Let me find the tweet. Here it is. I shared this last night. You're still so early to Abstract Chain. This is who you're trading against. Someone bought $1,940 and made $12.
Like, imagine putting in $2,000 to pull out $12. Like, he must have. I don't know. I would love to know what.
I tracked their wallet on the portal, and oddly, they literally sold everything and then just bought Pengu. I was like, that's an odd choice. Yeah. So I don't know. Some people just have no idea, Greg.
Pengu's been on a bit of a rip. It's probably not the best time.
No, exactly. While we're taking profits, he's buying. I was like, okay, bro. Okay. And then Alyssa came in and said, I think educational trading content would do well on Abstract as well. Someone mentioned that in a chat. And I mean, are they not watching our show?
I mean, I think we're close to. I do agree. There needs to be more actual content on the platform rather than slop, I'd call it.
Yes.
But you and I have been doing educational content on Abstract since about day one, and I think we might be about the only ones doing it still.
Yeah, literally the only ones probably doing it. I mean, I'll have a look now. There's a lot of good content on there. Dialer's live.
Is Dialer live?
Yeah, Dialer's live. A few other Moose was live earlier. But they're all different, right? Like Dialer obviously is on the marketing team of Abstract. Moose does giveaways and stuff, so it's a bit different. But I mean, if you look at these others, I mean, it's great. They're all playing games on the platform, but no one is educating like us. Go back, watch all of our streams. We've done streams here for months.
Dialer's a whip, and she's wearing a bloody pirate hat right now.
Yeah, I know, it's pretty crazy. So, but yeah, I think that's why I top blasted here and I'm in profit, right? Like, because you're still so early to something like this, and this is in a range. If it does break below 500K, I'll probably look for more opportunities. If it can break out from here, then so be it. I think this could be a really good runner moving forward, Craig.
Yeah, I do too. I'm the only reason I didn't buy that because I was packing up the house yesterday, and then you've said to me that's done that. So now I've got to wait for it to bloody break down.
Yeah.
I want into that, but what I also want to see is the team perhaps pump out a little bit more content.
Yes.
Just to show that one video is not the one.
Yes.
In other words, they didn't just make one video and then hope that people like you and me go, oh, there's potential here, and then
not follow it up. Yeah.
That's what Greeny's alluded to by saying one video versus if another one comes and it's as high quality.
Yeah.
Then I'm like, okay, this team might want to milk this a while, which is great. I don't care if they milk it. Just as long as I'm in on the early milk versus the late milk. But yeah, I'm keen. I like it. Look, Abstract's absolutely gagging for stuff like this. Far as,
it's so due for it.
Like something degen, filthy, like Guna, where people laugh, right? Penguins are cute and all that, but cute only goes so far.
Yeah.
Memecoins, I think we've got the cute covered on Abstract. I want to see the edgier stuff come. And I don't mean like the racist stuff and all that. I mean a little bit more edgy than just cute.
Correct.
So this is, and I mean, even get the penguin in there, but get it doing some crazy shit, man. Get it shooting stuff and get it doing aggressive stuff. Show a darker side of the penguin. Maybe is what I'm looking for.
Yeah, exactly. And I mean, like, Craig, they have posted a few videos. Like, they posted one yesterday. They posted one 6 hours ago. They posted one 2 days ago. So they are being consistent, which you love to see.
Bro, these videos remind me of a friend of mine that did them on ETH, and I'm wondering.
Do you reckon it's the same person?
I wonder if it's blue. Yeah. I mean, it just reeks of him. He's got his fingerprints all over this. But I'm
what memes does it take you back to? It takes me to LMI. It takes me to.
Yeah, see, he did the LMI ones.
Yeah,
a lot of them. He takes me LMI and what else did he ever?
Oh, well, SPX in a way kind of
SPX as well. It's that sort of filter on it.
Is it Bitcoin? Harry Potter Obama tuning? Did it ever have videos like that?
Yeah, that sort of stuff. Yeah, exactly. Those three is probably good points. I'm keen. I want in. What are we in? 688. Yeah, I need lower, bro. Though I need lower.
You can DCA a little bag here. You DCA. Oh my god, Craig! It's literally about to pump on stream, mate.
Yeah, it sucks. People are listening.
I have a lot of token supply. I mean, hold on. Let me just check. Hold on.
Get it out of it, you dirty dogs.
No, I might buy some more. Hold on.
Get out, Greeny. What? Can you send me the CA, Greeny, real quick?
Yeah, here.
If you don't mind.
There you go.
I'm just gonna put some money in just so I can see it on my. This is for viewers out there because you're probably going to say to me, why the fuck would you enter here? Sometimes the reason I do is just so it actually turns up in my wallet, so I can't remember to keep an eye on it. And also then I see the negative. So say I put $100 in and I see a 30% when I first go in, it gives me a good, I better go check it. So sometimes I do it just as a little check the price easy sort of thing. If that makes
Top
sense.
10 own 45%, a little bit higher. Top 25 own 63%. Yeah, it's a little bit high, but I mean, I don't know, man. It's a cool meme. It's a cool meme.
I wonder
I'm currently 49th, Craig.
Fuck, don't dump on me, Yakuza, you dirty dog. I'm sure you must have your dirty fingers in this. I'm going to have to speak to him and be like, did you make this coin, bro? Like, who made this?
Does Eli own this? Because if Eli owns this, then we know that he's just going to sit on it.
Eli, for those watching now, if Eli's a top 10 holder, you're good as gold, man.
No, it doesn't hold it in his wallet. Dan.
Well, that's risky then, man.
Yeah, it's risky, bro.
That guy will hold $1 million market cap alone. Like, I don't know if I've come across better holders than him.
Nah, he's a good hodler. He's a good hodler. Do I buy some more? I mean,
I might for a bit of a joke, but I'm not going to put in fuck all. I'll put in $100 and Yakuza. You can.
I think I sold some this morning. Hold on, let me have a look. I'd be an idiot if I'd sold some and bought some back. Oh no, I did sell a little bit.
Maybe I'll swap a gift that I was given into that beer real dog.
Yeah, dude. Study came in and dropped.
Yeah,
he came and dropped. It was $490 worth of banded into my wallet the other day. Yeah, bro. It's up to $640. I don't know what to do with it. He just sent it to me. It's up to $640.
Jesus, that's very generous. Yeah, he sent me $70. So he loves you 4 times to 5 times more in initial deposit. But no, shout out to Study jumped in and dropped me $70 a newt. So thanks, bro. I didn't even see it till I checked later.
Yeah.
I did say thank you for it at the time, but I didn't realize how sometimes you don't know the market caps.
No, exactly. So
are you guys even live? Yeah, we're live. We're live, Annie. Annie, listen to this. Annie the Pooh. How'd you like it? I'll hold up a little sign, right? It, Annie? Like the old days on webcam. Yes, we are live, Annie. Should I grab some? I think I will just grab some so I keep an eye on it.
Yeah, I think this could age well. This one might be, oh my God, that's horrible slippage.
Yeah, the new ones always have.
I spoil a little bit more. Now I'm comfy in that. I'm comfy in that too.
Fuck, who the fuck's calling me? Flat out.
Okay. Dude, everyone's buying on the stream. Stream, stop buying.
Please.
Stop buying, stream.
That's gonna dump so
No, I think this could run. I generally think this, if they get the blue tick too, that could send. I think it could send. All right, Craig, NFTs. Let's pivot over there.
Yeah. A little bit up on some and a little bit down. So kind of what was up yesterday's come down and what was down has gone up. So hash masks had a massive pump. I saw that. That was up like 300% yesterday, which was fucking, I don't know. But yeah, let's go Moonbirds maybe. That was probably the, what was the announcement? Was XP?
The announcement was XP on OpenSea. So I don't mind that because
neither do I either. I'll let you run and then I'll go as well.
Yeah, I don't mind that at all. I actually think that's pretty smart. It shows you that they have.
I like that.
Yeah, it shows you just how well connected he is to sort that out. I kind of like, because it shows me, okay, well, maybe we are going to get a airdrop sooner rather than later on OpenSea as well.
Same.
Holding your Moonbirds. I have 2, so I don't know if I got more XP than other people or not. But let's just look at price action. Did they dump overnight? I don't think they did.
10%, bro, so not much.
No, they've held 2.5. So I like, if they go towards 2 ETH, I'll probably buy a third.
Bro, I want in on one of these, man. I'd like it to drop as well. Sorry, I cut you off, but yeah, any pullback we get on this, if I can get a 20-30%, bro, I regret not getting in. What did you get in at about 1.5?
Yeah, 1.6 and then 2.4.
Yeah, 1.6 was the buy, man. Like, I almost feel that entry there. I don't want to jinx you here, man, but I think you're pretty safe.
Yeah, I think this is easily a 5 ETH play.
Same.
Minimum. Like,
I think this is I don't want to say this on loud and jinx you and me because I'm in the mythics. I think this could be a Pudgy's cope play.
yeah.
And those guys are tight. They're very tight and they both have close connections to OpenSea. I wonder what's going on behind the scenes.
Yeah, you don't know what the hell's going on behind the scenes, bro.
And the fact he said they've got an announcement this Monday and then he said also one the next.
Yeah.
I wonder if it's the next one that's the big one.
Yeah.
And this was I almost feel, I think he did this well. I think he kept the big announcement for the next one.
Yes.
And I think this is probably bigger or better than it looks on paper. Yeah. Just to say you get a bit of extra XP. I think it's a sign of perhaps what the next announcement could be.
Yeah, if these do pull back to 2 ETH, I buy a third. I'd much rather have 3 than 2. I mean, if you look here, like if we break above this sort of 3 to 3.5 ETH mark, these rally very quickly back to like 8 ETH. These rally very quickly back to 8 ETH. So
don't do it to me.
Unique ownership's very high, 57%. We'd love to see it. Listings are down at. Is it going to load for me? It's not going to load for me. Come on, load for me. There we go, 372. So that's pretty good. That's very low. That's only 3%. So yeah, look, as I've said on stream, I spoke to a few VIP members about it. Spencer is literally the GOAT of NFTs. He ran a VC for NFTs only. Okay, that should literally just tell you everything, right? So he printed on Pudgy Penguins. He was a large whale holder. I know he holds a lot of Bodoggos and stuff as well. So yeah, it's hard for me not to fade Moonbirds at all at this point in time.
Well, one of the other things that makes me think about is that video with Rasma talking to Luca talking about OpenSea and asked him directly if he bought it.
Mm-hmm.
The answer Luca gave, man, I'm not saying Luca bought it. I'm not, but the answer he gave, man, was like, watch Luca's body language, bro. I'm not saying he bought it, but it was the body language and tonality of someone that knows someone who did buy something or someone moved something. Maybe it was Spencer. I'm not saying he bought OpenSea. I'm just saying something fucking is happening.
Yeah, there's some going on.
Between those two and OpenSea. I think those three with OpenSea, Luca, and Spencer, something's up. And I think the XP is a little teaser on perhaps a relationship that's stronger than maybe we know currently.
Yeah.
So, I mean, this is NFTs, dude. This is kind of why I like them because these rumors kind of can make or break trades.
Yeah.
So be careful, guys. Don't ape into this based on what I just said. Chances are Luca didn't buy OpenSea. Chances are Spencer did not buy OpenSea.
Yeah.
I'm open to the rumor running to pump the price, but just be very careful.
Yeah, and I think, I think it's a good opportunity for.
Bro, good for NFTs though. Like, I just like seeing positive. We need another collection in the space doing the right thing for holders.
Yeah.
Other than Pudgy, and I know people could jump in and say Bored Apes, but there's things that they've fucked up in quite a few ways. Bored Apes, whereas Luca's come in and taken Pudgies from shit to the top. Well, other than Punks, I'd say the top collection.
Yeah,
I would love to see another collection pull that off because I think it'll show other collections a way to do it where holders can win, founders can win, investors can win, rather than just investors win. Right? I'd like to see that.
Exactly. I mean, and you got to think too, a lot of people are interested in Moonbirds. There's a lot of people who loved them last cycle.
I did. I actually got priced out. So I like them as well. So I would love, I don't know, it's maybe a bit of a romantic notion to see them run, but I'd like to see them run, bro. Especially a collection they got hammered, that I thought deserved better. I was never in it, so I don't have any feelings, but I'd like to see it run. I'd like to see NFTs run because I think if Pudgies run and Moonbirds run, then everything else has a much better chance to also run. So exciting to see NFTs. I mean, look, we weren't even talking NFTs much maybe 3 months ago. Other than Pudgies, bro, that's all we got to speak about.
Yeah, exactly.
So I join my trading community is your name on there, Greeny. I love your names every time, but they change all the time. But yeah.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh yeah. Did
Tell me your board
go through? Oh, I didn't put it through. Fuck. Why didn't you go through?
Did it not? Did it go through? But you just didn't click out of the little screen that pops up.
I might have not had the I didn't do my bloody.
Your authenticator.
Yeah. Fuck.
Are you buying the breakout, Craig?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're still early, mate. It's still only 860, baby.
Yeah, it's cheap. 860. Fuck, it's up 200K on stream.
Thoughts on Doodles and Azuki? Nowhere. I will never touch them, Bryce. I will never touch them.
What have you got slippage on, Greeny? I couldn't get it through at 5%.
I don't know, Craig. I just bought 0.2, so I don't know. It was like 6 or 7 or 8%. I can't remember. I just clicked. I just close my eyes and go, okay.
Sweet. 80%. 25% slip.
25? No, okay. Just click it and just see what the difference is in numerical value in US.
I'm going to get $2 extra, apparently.
Oh, what? You're going to get money.
Which is weird. Sometimes Abstract says that, but I doubt it.
Eli put a tweet out recently, which I vibe with about.
I'm in chat. I'm in.
Let's go. Is top line. Okay, dump it.
There's me. Was it 113?
Yeah, that's you there, mate.
That's me.
So Eli put a tweet out recently about XP, earning XP if you provide liquidity, and Saigar reply was like, "Oh yeah, talk to me." I think that would be mammoth for Abstract. If I can confidently know that I will get XP by providing liquidity on some of these meme coins, I would gladly do that. I would gladly do that. And particularly someone like Eli, who's got a massive bag of Guna, like he needs to scale out, right? So into an LP is a very fair way to do that rather than just dumping on people. So I would gladly provide liquidity, like whether it goes up or down, right? And I used to do that way back at the side chain, but there was no liquidity, no volume, and no XP, so it made no sense. So I might need to send a DM to Finn and say, hey, can you think about this?
Didn't you get wrecked on that and lose a shitload of buff?
Nah, I didn't lose money. No, I didn't. No, you lose money on the slippage on the chain. That's it. No.
But weren't you providing?
Oh no. You're bringing this back up. Yeah, fair. No. I lost money because I swapped.
A DM going, brother. I tried this.
I swapped USDT into meme coins or something, and there was only $200 in the pool, and I put $1,000 through, and I lost $800 on like 3 trades. So I lost like $3,000 like instantly across like 3 trades, and then the team was like, and I was like, that's a limitation on your platform because you didn't have a warning for low slippage or low fees or low liquidity. So
maybe they'll come around to that refund, Greeny.
No. Well, I think they gave me a GigaChat potentially off of that.
You might. That's a pretty big win then, bro.
I know, and I was like, yeah, I kind of I got it like a couple of weeks. I was doing like the interviews and stuff, and I was streaming.
You should have it.
Yeah, right. And I was like, oh, fair. But it was like after that, I was like, oh, maybe that was them kind of going like, oh no, okay, fair, Greeny. Like
maybe. I think that's probably a very fair trade on their part if that was part of the thought process. Yeah. I'd take that for a couple of grand loss, maybe, but I would have taken it back when you got it. Maybe not now. I don't know how much longer I've got left.
Yeah, man.
I mean, you bigger Chad on the last fucking week.
Yeah. Wait, someone's dumping. These people are dumping, bro.
Fuck you guys. Yakuza, stop selling.
Dumpy. This person bought 0 and sold 27. Did they get an airdrop? Shady business. Nah, I think this is a good meme. I think this could go way higher personally. So this is kind of one that I want to see back at 5 to 10 bill, and I just sit on it and should be a banger.
I'm glad I'm in. Let's see how we go. At least
Eli. What's up, my friends? I'm out of town at the bloody moment, but I'm still watching you guys talk. I'm a fucking huge fan. When I get back, let's have a fun time together, boys. Bloody oath, Cobber. So he'll be on stream. Oh wait.
Oh, he is. That is him. That's exactly how he's typing too.
Yeah, it is. Hold on. We got Kicks on the show tomorrow, Eli. We're gonna have to boot you off the Wednesday show, bro. Is he out of town? Hold on. We need to send him a DM. We got Kicks on the show tomorrow. Yeah, memes look good here, Craig. I mean, it's good opportunity across the board. I think. Oh, another people dumping, bro. People, dude, abstract. You guys need to learn to trade, fam.
Those are ruthless.
I mean, everyone's just here for the quick gains, bro. I'm here for the big gains. I'm here for the big gains.
Same. I want to see that go to 3 milli, 4 milli, 5
Oh, this
milli.
easily goes. This goes way higher, personally.
100 million.
Yeah. This is
this is financial advice, guys. This goes way higher.
$1 billion token on abstract, Craig.
Probably don't top last like we just did.
No. Well, I did. I bought the little breakout, so I did time.
Greedy's already up, so it's me that's the retard. Don't follow me on this. Actually, I this is a bookmark. I put $100 on as a bookmark, guys.
Yeah, but I think these are the charts you want to be looking at when they come back and pull down, and that's your opportunity. So yeah, I mean, are you interested in anything else on abstract at all?
Retspar, Deepingu, and Guna. Those are my three. God. I don't want to get into too many, man. I want to like have a focus of maybe. I think 3 to 5 is probably a good little bet for me to have on there.
That's fair.
Because then I can just focus, bro. Otherwise, you get so scatterbrained. And don't look at my wallet right now because I've got about 14 of the fucking things. So even though I just said what I want to do, it's not what I'm doing. But actually, it is kind of what I'm doing. You get send coins and then it kind of.
Yeah, no, I think that's smart though. Like I probably have too many in there as well. I actually sold, Craig, let's talk about this. I sold my on-chain hero yesterday and my legendary weapon yesterday.
I saw that. And I'm guessing your thought process is now you can earn XP from memes.
Meme coins. Yep. And I was just a little bit worried about how they're going to bounce back. And it like the amount of people that will look for an exit on the Dragma announcement and stuff, the whales that are in that collection, I think massive shout out to obviously Scarly and everyone, but it's been down only. Yeah, I worry about the liquidity on the token. I worry about the tokenomics of the token. I worry about the assets which have gone down. I had a legendary and I was like, look, I've watched them go down from 1.5 ETH all the way down to 0.3 ETH. I was like, dude, I can't just watch something I put money into just capitulate down to 0. So
no,
I sold my legendary weapon yesterday for 0.55. I was very happy with that. And I sold my hero OTC for about 0.235. So I was pretty happy with that. I own 17 ROMs. So I'm bullish on the ROMs and just playing that ecosystem every day. But yeah, I mean, if we have a look quickly at the legendaries, what are they at? Yeah, see, I got like, yeah, look, there we go. Let's go. I got the last one in. Oh, it's stoked, man. Stoked. So they have the floors come down a little bit further. So, I mean, cool game, cool stuff. Needs to rethink the tokenomics, in my opinion, from this point of view. That's just some feedback. And I do know, like, if you do look, the worry I have with this too, Craig, is just the whales. You can't tell now because they're all in game, but the unique ownership was only like 25 to 30%. So it was quite low. There's a lot of people that hold a lot of these. Yeah, no, there you go. There's 6,000 in the game now, so you can't really track that. But yeah, it's a little bit of a worry, Craig. I don't know. What, you still own a couple of heroes, don't you?
Yeah, I've still got my 4. I'm of the same thought process as you. Pretty much when those meme coins got announced, it changes a lot of stuff for me because I'd prefer to trade memes.
Yeah, yeah, same.
In general, and you know, with Abstract having to hold such a variety of NFTs wasn't really my cup of tea. I did it out of necessity, and I'm glad I did. To the XP I have. Obviously, I'm already in gold, chasing platinum like Greeny, so that was the path I took, and I was happy to take it. Now that the team have, you know, what the team have really done, which I think is great, is they've allowed a different kind of person to excel on Abstract.
Yeah.
So now I can go from, I mean, I love trading NFTs. I'm decent at it. I prefer to trade memes. It's quicker to get in and out of. I'm much more. It's easier to pivot. Yeah. I like the fact I can pivot quickly. So I'm like you. I'm pretty possibly keen to scale out a few of my NFT positions and go strong into memes now.
Rice Cake, who is repping a Pudgy Penguin, as far as I'm aware, in chat, says NFT wise, why are you a Pengu Maxi then? If I don't want to own Doodles and Azuki, bro, if surely you know why I'm holding a Pudgy Penguin, not a Doodle or an Azuki, right? Like, that's an odd take for someone that does have a PFP as a Penguin. Basically, I don't need to shill this. Like, we've spoken about it for so long, but like, why wouldn't you hold a Pudgy Penguin at this point in time compared to any other asset out there? Pretty much. I'll I sold some Retcoin yesterday. Obviously, I sold all of it. I also sold out of my Rec Guy yesterday for just shy of a 2x. That pulled back a bit as well. So I don't know, Craig. I just don't want to be stuck bag holding these things that are up tremendously, right? And I am already thinking, like, a lot of people don't think like me. And maybe that's why people appreciate my takes. I'm already thinking a year, 2 years, 3 years ahead. Where will I be in 2 years' time? Will I still have liquidity to help the business thrive? Will I still have money to trade liquidity in 2 years' time? Will I have cash to pay for rent for the next 2 years' time? If we want to start a family in 2 years' time, can I afford to pay for that? I'm thinking so far in advance that I'm already looking to scale profits, a lot of these sort of pump ups over the next couple of months. I don't care if I don't time the top. I'm just here to make sure that I have liquidity in stables or fiat over the next sort of couple of months. So that's pretty much my take at the moment. But yeah, Pudgies by far easily go probably back to 25, 30 ETH in my opinion. What are your thoughts on Renga at Alien Friends? Renga has some of the best art I've ever seen in NFTs. I just don't think they're ever going to really come back. The craze, dude, I made a shit ton of money in 21 on or 22 on Renga. It was one of my better trades. I got in so early and we rotated several times. Craig and I literally did it together. So
I saw the loot box. I remember I got a loot box.
Oh, dude, it was such a good time of NFTs when Renga was popping up. Such a good time. Alien Friends was my biggest fumble. I bought in at 0.3. I sold at 0.2. They ripped to 4 ETH like the next week. And I was like, oh my God. Gary B bought one and then everyone bought one. So yeah, bro, I faded a massive, but that would have been like a 25 grand trade. At the time when I literally did my shout out to Pio this morning who put his post up, but I did like my story. Here's my story. Yeah, here it is. Here, I'll pull it up. So Pio said, share a piece of 2021 bull lore about yourself. 1.6 million views. Holy shit, bro.
Shit. X is going to pay him out fat.
Dude, he's going to get a huge payout for that. So mine was made a lot of money on BTC and ETH in heading into the bull market. Then made a lot of money on Sand, Illuvium, and other metaverse plays. Made great gains. Was watching Alex Becker videos to see which low cap altcoins hit pump and dump on YouTube to try and catch them early and sell as the volume increased. Got into NFTs late, chased a lot of profits away. Saw Mutants at 3 ETH was priced out. Saw Azuki at 3 ETH was priced out. I forgot to add. Saw Moonbirds at 2.5. Couldn't mint them. Was priced out. Took 15K profits out. Bought a 50K car with a big loan. Then got scammed a few weeks later for 30K. Chased my losses down to my last 5K. Realized the cycle was over. Realized I owed money for tax despite losing dollars to a scam. Realized I didn't have money to pay my car loan. Was depressing times. Sold my car for profit. Actually sold it for a grand profit. To get out of the car loan and debt. Watch PO and Nick and Easy and stuff and Kicks for years, right? And that has eventually inspired me to create my own content in 2023. So the whole Greeny brand started literally at the beginning of 2023. And massive shout out to these boys because they did give me a lot of confidence to sort of just get out there and sort it out. So that's my 2021 story, Craig. What's your 21 story?
Oh man, pretty similar to that. Yeah, made good money on alts. I was in Sand, I was in Decentraland, I was in Engine early, I was in all those metaverse plays nice and early. Made 10x's across the board. So went over to NFTs for a while, played that pretty well. Actually, a company or brand that came out that first started touting, NFTs, but licensed NFTs, which was Vivi, which some people might remember from 21, which was like Batman, Superman, all those which were licensed. I got into those, made pretty big, not pretty big, but made decent money, but ended up leaving about $500,000 on the table, selling too late.
Yeah.
So rode that bag down from about $500,000 to, like I said on stream with you before, under 100,000. So that was pretty rough. And then went into the bear market and ate shit for a little while, then felt sorry about myself and decided I'd learn from that and then just keep grinding in the bear market. And then just kind of kept accumulating alts or Bitcoin, mainly Bitcoin and some alts, e.g. Ray, that I was bullish on, Solana that I was bullish on, Ray and Solana. So I rode Ray up high with Greeny. Solana we rode up high, so we bought the lows on that, bought the lows on Ray. So Solana, Ray and Bitcoin. And rode those up to all-time highs and never looked back. Didn't get into nearly as many meme coins. And then, NFTs, got back into them, got into ordinals, sent those up, made a couple of Bitcoin on that. And here we are, kind of now. Rode this ETH in it. Rode the what ETH meme coins. Then pivoted to Sol. Then pivoted to whatever else there was. There was Tron for a while. Anyway, did the open editions. Did checks. I was in early. I was in a point.
Oh, really? Yeah.
I minted OPEP. If you go back to my timeline, I called checks at 0.007 OPEP. Yeah, rode Nakamigos from 0.07 up to 0.95. Bro, there's just about no meta
that we haven't covered.
The only thing I didn't go full retard into that I skipped altogether was AI.
Well, yeah, I was going to say AI virtuals is probably the two that I haven't. Yeah.
And seeing that, probably could have made a lot of money in there, bro, but it just wasn't my jam. And looking at it now, it's fucked anyway. So I'm glad I didn't. But
no, well, Zeneca joined GTG and he was dominating that area at that time, and he gave us a lot of alpha on the early virtual side of things as well. I didn't because I was so spread elsewhere. I was like, I didn't put money into it, and then he's like, Greeny, Vader at 11 million. I'm telling you, it's a very good token, and it went up 10x in a couple of weeks. I was like, oh, bro, why did I fade you? So
are they still getting good wins over there with those?
Yeah, not as much as they were. Like there was a few. Like I mean, more recently, I have like Mamo was up 4x. I called that in GTG. Let's have a look where it's at. Has it pulled back a bit? Yeah, it's at 40 mil. So it's still up like 3x or 2.5x. So yeah, there's still opportunities to be over. That's what I mean, man. Like you miss opportunities, man. Like there's too many opportunities in crypto. You need to focus on your lane or what you enjoy and those sorts of things. So, yeah, no, I think that's, I don't know what this means. I don't know what you mean, Knight. Do we do low cap abstract meme coins? Yeah, look, Eli's keen for LPs to be incentivized. I very much agree with that take. It would be very good for abstract if we can get some LPs incentivized on the chain. I think that's a good step forward. He also says that OG's Discord has supply control on RETSPA, Craig, so you probably won't get a big dip. So do think about looking to find an entry on that one.
OG's got RETSPA, does he? He owns a lot.
Yeah, him and his Discord group hold supply control on RETSPA is what Eli says.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing.
Yeah, I'm optimistically cautious. It's my term. Optimistically cautious with that. It's a good thing because, as he said, they don't sell, but they will sell. They'll have to sell at some point.
Yeah. I get. Yeah, cool. Okay. No, I mean, I don't mind that too much. I'm guessing they're going to want to run it up a lot higher. So, well, hopefully for XP. So, yeah. Look, I like the meme. Yeah, I'm still keen to enter. I just need a good. I don't care who holds much supply as long as I'll go by the fibs.
Oh, bro, everyone sold into that pump, dude. Some whale just sold for 137. Bro, Jeets on abstract are as bad as Solana, man. This person bought 1,500. They sold it for
$137.
They sold it for 1,300. They lost $137. Bro, what are you doing?
How long did he hold it?
I don't know. Let's click on it. Let's click on it. Oh, hold on. Click the wrong button. What are you doing? Dude, he bought it.
Did you buy it on stream with us and then sell straight away?
Chat, this is not how you trade. That is not how you trade, okay?
Yeah, so you bought it on stream with us, yeah?
I don't know. He bought 18 minutes ago and we got scared and dumped it. Come on, chat. We're here to help you. I think this goes way higher. I mean, if this does pull back, sick. I'm looking for opportunities. Yeah.
I'll buy more. I'm gonna I might message a few people and see make sure there's not a few dirty hands in that coin.
Yeah, that's can you DM me as well?
Yeah, well, I'm gonna message you and go, bro, don't fuck me. Why are you writing about this coin? You never write about these coins.
Yeah, God just got 11K buys, Eli said. Yeah, dude, the God chart looks bloody good. We were looking at this before. Whoops. This chart looks, sorry, I'm still so sick. This looks really, I mean, where's this 11K buy? Oh, here. Yeah, whose wallet is this? Holy. Oh, no, he took some profit. Oh, no, he has sold? Oh, my God. They're buying it. Who's this? Let me investigate. All right. Yeah, so that's big. I agree though. I think God's a good one. Craig, do you own some? You do own some, don't you?
Own a sprinkle.
Sprinkle. Yeah, so this person bought 24K worth of dog. Literally, that's the only token they own. They own a little bit of USDC on abstract as well. Oh, they swap USDC into God. Oh my God. Dude, their slippage wasn't bad. They lost like $20 per $1,000. That's pretty good. Oh my God, they bought so much. Okay, that's a fresh wallet. Fresh wallet. Love seeing that.
How much have they bought?
$25,000.
Fuck. Today?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh no, so they're a whale. Did they dump all their? No. Okay, so they're an on-chain heroes whale as well.
Uh-oh.
Oh my God. Holy, they own a lot of on-chain heroes. Okay. And oh my God. They haven't traded on here in ages. And then they just came on and loaded up literally over the past couple of days into this wallet. I'm not going to shill it on stream, but wow. That's good. Those are the sorts of things you want to see, right? Because that's just a wow. That's just literally going to hold this.
Yeah. That's pretty. That bodes well for holders. I wish I had a shitload more, but that's. We need another coin. We need another coin to send. It'd be nice to see this go break 10 milli.
Yeah, SMP, mate. That's the one that's going to send, mate.
Yeah. That is the one. That's a $10 million coin all day.
Yeah, absolutely.
We need to get Clemente into that.
We do need to get Clemente into that. All right, Craig. Anything else you want to cover in today's stream? It's been a bit. Time flies when you're having fun, man.
It does. No, not especially. I think we've kind of covered the main things. NFTs on a little pullback. Obviously, memes across the board on a little bit of pullback. Bitcoin dominance went up 60% to 61%. So alts have suffered. MOG had a pretty big sell-off, bro. 12% down on the day. Had a little bit of a dump. But to be honest, man, these are the days that are kind of more exciting for me to trade because I had nothing to do until the market sold off. Now I can work again.
Yeah.
Which is probably a good way to look at trading is psychologically, if you can train yourself to think like that, it helps a lot emotionally. Yeah. What also helps emotionally is good entries.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm waiting for. So just a lesson in patience.
Yeah.
Obviously, we mentioned those coins earlier in the stream that we're looking at. Go back and check that out. So I'm just waiting on entries, man. That's so there's not a lot to talk about now apart from just entries, patience required. I want more abstract memes now that these are going to earn obviously a bit more XP. I want quite a lot more of these. Actually, I want to spend, bro. I need about another 20 grand.
Yeah, agreed.
Yeah, so I'm hoping we see deeper pullbacks. Because then I'll have the confidence to throw a decent amount of money. I don't until I see bigger pullbacks.
I want abstract port to be 6 figs for me. So I'm like 50% of the way there. I've moved a lot of a Pengu over. So Pengu is naturally the one that really propelled me up towards these levels. But now it's about, okay, well, what can I get in that next leg up to pump it to 6 figs? So big show. Lots of alpha there, guys. You can go back and watch us at any time on GC Crypto TV on X. That's where we have all our replays. Big show tomorrow. I know Eli's in the chat, so we need to chat if maybe Eli and Kicks are on the show at the same time. I don't know. We'll have to have a chat. But if not, we'll have to maybe reschedule one of them. But yeah, big show. If you are keen to join GTG, guys, go check it out. One of the best trading groups worldwide for crypto. We've been absolutely printing. Craig called 5x on IC. Nadia's been on an absolute cook in the meme coin. She literally caught a 40x the last couple of days. We trade futures every day, as you can see here. 3x on Reccoin. Aussie had a massive call the other day as well. So full wide, like we're up 40 grand nearly on just NFTs over the past couple of weeks as well. So an opportunity. So there's a whole server. That's what you get. So much alpha, so much consistency. We've been doing it for a long time. Here's the 40x call by Nadia as well. Absolute banger, bro. I faded it. I was impatient. I sold here and then it went crazy. So bit of patience in this market. Easy giving me a bit of a shout out. Massive shout out to him as well. But yeah, GTG, check us out. The link's in the description. We'd love to have you guys. We've been doing it a long time. Coming up on 2 years. Well, no, definitely 2 years. So
yeah, we passed 2 years now, are we?
Yeah, we're about the 2 year mark at the moment, actually. So it was about mid 23 that we started. So yeah, pretty dope to see where it's come so far. And yeah, we're excited. GTG, well, not GTG, GC Crypto will have an announcement soon of a new partner. Just waiting to finalize a few things. But yeah, pretty exciting times for us both to sign our first partner.
It is exciting. I get to buy my first Ferrari. So
yeah,
I'm joking, chat. I'm joking.
Bro, oh, dude, yeah, bro. That's how much we're bringing in on the show. No, just kidding.
Yeah, it's no. I get it. What was it? A gently used Honda Civic. What was the joke?
Yeah.
But no, this is for those. This is probably a good stream to watch, man. It's not the most exciting as far as us going fucking. We're making so much money, but this is probably the stream you need to watch to see how it's sort of our thought process on days that are red.
Yeah.
That's probably where the learnings are. So great stream. Is Kicks confirmed for tomorrow?
Yeah, he said to us. So Eli says, yeah, he doesn't care. Let's do it at the same time.
He doesn't care.
He said it'll be fun. He said it'll be fun, which I actually think it would be kind of fun to have all 4 of us on.
I actually agree. I don't mind if it's all of us. The more the merrier.
Kicks is confirmed for tomorrow. Okay, cool.
Legend. Okay,
great.
That
could be a long stream. I might need to reschedule my eye appointment at 11 or 12. So I might
just start wearing a patch.
Bro, my eyes are not good. That's why I need to go get checked. I just couldn't last week because I was bloody leaking out of my eyes last week. I'm still leaking out of my ear, man. I'm sick of this shit. I'm sick of it.
It's not fair, Greeny. It's
I know. And I literally cannot hear out of my left ear. So I hope I feel better.
Okay, hang on. We got
late alpha.
SMP's I just had a little green candle in the 4-hour, but I probably should zoom in actually rather than
no. Yeah, it looks like bro. The people selling now, what are you doing?
A few more buys coming in now. Okay, good. Okay, people bought that pullback just
really nicely. So no, I think it's a good meme. I think it could send. Don't forget to take profits, guys. As always, non financial advice, but we're here to make money. We're here to walk away with that. The cash in the bank or the cash in the crypto fiat. Okay, the stables, whatever you want to do. Okay, I know Zanika's a big person that is looking for USDC staking and yielding and stuff. And I think that's something I and Craig might be interested in as we near the bear market as well. Yeah. So definitely we're not going away. We're here every day. We've been here every day for, I don't even know, 18 months or something. So we'll be back. I do travel soon, so that'll be a challenge, Craig. I was thinking about this actually. Let me just quickly do some math. Dude, this is going to be Spain to Brisbane time.
Is it crazy?
Oh,
it's Europe. It'll be fucked.
Oh, dude. Oh, no. Oh, no. So
3 a.m.
Oh no! Wait, hold on. 9 to 9 a.m. Brisbane time. We might have to change the timing of our streams.
Yeah, we might have to while that's on. We won't suffer like that, dude. Fuck that.
12 a.m. Spain, which is around 12. Oh, dude, what, dude? Okay, Brave browser absolutely sucks.
It does sometimes. I agree.
I got to go to Google. So 12 a.m. Spain is 9 a.m. Brisbane. So we might have to, I mean, if you're still going to drop your kid off for work, Craig, we might have to do it either, probably later in the day. I mean, so in the afternoons for you, which would be mornings for me. That probably works. Yeah, Europe mornings is pretty good for Aussie afternoons. It's just the crowd, US is usually asleep during that time, but hey, oh well.
Yeah, we'll make it work. I mean, when's that? Well, what month?
I'm away 15th of September. So obviously I got to fly over there. So I'll probably take a few days to recover. So 15th of September through to, I think, like the 25th of October or something. It's about 5 weeks.
Yeah, that's all good. How long you away for, Greeny?
Yeah, 5 weeks. We go
5 weeks.
Yeah, two weeks in Spain for my sister's wedding. Then 2 weeks travel across Denmark. Across
life of a crypto billionaire, man. Listen to this.
Crypto billionaires, Craig.
5 weeks travel. I'm like, fuck it.
Oh, dude, it's literally like the worst timing. I was like, it's hot bull market. It's like we went to Europe last year. I was like, I'm keen to go back. Then I've got a wedding in Scotland as well. So I got 2 weddings. Then I got to fly back. Then I got to recover and go to a wedding like 2 weeks later here with one of my good mates as well in Australia. So busy times, mate. Wedding season, mate. Wedding season.
It is, and you've hit that age now where everyone's getting married.
Craig, I put up a realism tweet the other day. I don't know if you saw it.
Everyone I know is getting divorced, Greeny, so wait for that. A decade later, everyone gets divorced. I'm not even fucking kidding. It's crazy.
Oh shit, man! The reality. Here, Craig, do you see this tweet that I put up?
Kids, and then three years later, that I can't handle having kids, and they fall apart. Sad.
Did you see? I put this up yesterday, and then
I did see some of it.
Yeah,
that's because you don't care what people think. That's important.
Yeah, and I'm like, some mates are multi-millionaires. Some mates haven't figured out what they want to do. Everyone wants to have kids. Like golf, I'm obsessed with golf. Like, being 30, guys. If you're under 30, appreciate being young. Appreciate it being young.
Appreciate the lack of back pain.
Yeah. Appreciate the lack of ear pain as well. Okay.
Yeah. Greeny's falling apart live on stream, guys. This is.
But anyway, tomorrow.
SMP's moving, brother.
Is it? Send it, bro. Bro, it's moving, dude. That person that sold's gonna regret it. I'm telling you, man. They sold for $100 loss, man. Come on, man. Come on.
So good.
Big show tomorrow. We'll have Kix. Kix is hilarious. If you don't know who he is, he's literally part of the Badogos team as well. He's done a lot of gaming stuff in the ecosystem of crypto. Very funny guy in the timeline, and obviously Eli will be there too. So it'll be the 4 of us. It'll be a good vibe. It'll be the first time we've had 4 people on the stream, I think, Craig. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah, I
that'd
think
be
so.
exciting. And then we do have
Yeah,
another guest on Friday's show as well.
we do. We do have a big guest.
Yeah.
Have we announced it yet?
No, we haven't. You go ahead, Craig, because you know her. I don't. Yeah.
Yeah, we've got Wendy O coming on. It'll be Thursday stream for the US, Friday stream for Australia, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard for the US, 9 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard. Yeah, Wendy O, who's obviously a pretty big account, massive YouTube following. I think was pretty tied in back in the day with BitBoy Crypto. I've got a feeling it might be by marriage or something like that. She knew
Oh
him.
shit!
Not,
Right.
she wasn't married to him. I think it was a brother-in-law somewhere.
Oh,
Anywho, big lady, been in the space, and look good to get another female on. Not that it's about being a female,
no.
but you know,
Just a different perspective.
it's a different perspective, and they do come with a different energy, which I like. So,
100%.
and
this,
look,
this,
she's
bro,
been around, bro. She's been around a long time.
This will be the biggest guest on the show, nearly. I think.
And look, on the timeline, her and I have spoken for a little while, so I was super appreciative. I reached out to her. I didn't know what she'd say. I just said, "Hey, when are you doing it?" And she was so nice. She's like, "Absolutely, I'll do it for you." I was like, "Great, thank you so much." So, look, she's a big Bitcoin bull. She's big into Bitcoin, which is kind of, I think, a good guest to have. I think the more people we have upping Bitcoin, the better. And no, I mean, she's on the news quite regularly to ABC talking about crypto. So. There we go. Very knowledgeable, been in the space a while. Someone who I used to watch a little bit back when I first got in, which is so funny.
That's funny, yeah.
Quite surreal to be now having
all these people on our show. I know.
Weird, bro. It's weird. It is quite. You sort of get moments of imposter syndrome, don't you? You know, watching people in 21 and now you're talking to them. So shout out to everyone who's been watching us for 2 years. You guys have made this happen. So thank you very much for following Greeny and I. And, because it excites me to get guests like this
100%,
on.
100%.
Just from a fanboy point of view. So shout out to you, Wendy. Thank you for making it easy because it's not even at a time she'd normally want to do. So she's like, fuck it, Craig, I'll do it for you. I was like, fuck, what have I done? I don't know why.
That's so good, man. That's so good. But and I put a post out recently about this too, Craig, about it's not about how good of a trader you are. It's not about how much money you make. It's actually about the type of person that you are. And if you're a good person, if you're humble, if you're not a dickhead to me or to other people, you will probably get opportunities. Okay.
I think that's why she did it for me. I've just been respectful the whole time.
Yeah. Exactly. That's why so many people don't get to join GTG as a trader. Like I've had plenty of DMs from people, but they call me out. They use derogatory terms. They try and be cool or whatever. I'm like, well, you're just like, you're screened, bro. I'm not going to there's no way I want you in that community and stuff. So, Eli said, why did he get no praise? So can you give him a bit of praise, please?
Oh, Eli, just as a guest.
For tomorrow's guest, he's on the show.
Oh, yeah, Eli. So Eli's another great character of the space, obviously an abstract bull. Surprisingly enough, I never came across him on the timeline prior to abstract, which blows my mind since the dude knows fucking everyone. It's like, is Eli an industry plant?
I think he's an industry. I'm pretty sure he created Bitcoin.
Yeah. Well, Bitcoin.
Sorry. I'm sorry, chat. Sorry. Bitcoin. Sorry.
One of my favorite moments, Greeny, on this show is when Eli was proposing to us his theory on why Bitcoin will pump similar to Bitcoin and comparing the 2013 Bitcoin chart to the current Bitcoin chart. That has to be possibly the most preposterous thesis I've ever heard. But I also really like the fact he actually delivered it without even... I think he meant it too.
I think he does too. I mean, the Bitcoin chart may have found the bottom here. I don't know. We'll keep an eye on it. But hopefully he's still watching, so he's happy there that we get.
Yeah, but shout out to Eli. Always good energy on the fucking show. To be honest, bro, his trades have worked out in the end. So
I just hope he can execute now.
Now they've worked out.
Yeah, correct.
For now, because my trades in 21 also were working out until they didn't. So,
yes.
But no, great guy. I love his energy. Very different to you and I, which I like. It's a good thing. And honestly, I laugh fucking heaps on that show. Not financial advice. That show's definitely not financial advice, Greeny. But none of them are. This is pure entertainment and hopefully a little bit of education for everyone.
More education and lots of entertainment.
Yes. So looking forward. I mean, Kicks and Eli, bro, that's a dream come true.
I actually think we could sit here for a couple of hours tomorrow and it'll be lots of fun.
You know who we need? We need Clemente. We need Clemente, Kicks. Actually, we need the whole fucking Bodoggers with Eli and you and me. That would be...
with Eli on the show.
And I'd love Nick on there, bro, just to fucking... Because Rich Nick is just the biggest hangman I've ever met. Like, he's brutal, and I like that.
I need to send him a DM and we can try and sort out time for him to jump on the show too. And then I did DM Mando and he said he's keen.
Cool.
It's just he doesn't read his DMs very often, so I'll have to try and sort out time for him as well.
Yeah, that's what happens, guys, when you get to the big time. So, no, but I must admit, even my DMs are diabolical, bro. If it's on X, it's fucked.
I know. Someone said, I literally, like, there'll be DMs. I'll leave it on as unread. I'll be like, yeah, I'll get to that. And then 2 weeks later, I'm like, oh, shit, man, I didn't even reply to that.
I mean, amongst that and all the scammers on there, you just don't stand a chance, bro. Every second day I'm getting a message, hey, would you like to what's that? Whatever our Discord, be a moderator, a paid job. It's a scam, guys. Whenever you get, if people message you for an interview or to be a moderator on Discord, those are your 2 red flags, and then they'll try and move you to Telegram. Yeah. So apparently I'm going to earn two sol a week being a moderator on a gaming Discord. I've probably had, I reckon this bull run, I've had that probably a couple of 100 times, the gaming moderator one. That's a good one, but they need to get better at that scam. That's not getting me.
Yeah, I know. All right, huge show. Lots of alpha there, guys. As always, go click GC Crypto on TV, GC Crypto on Twitter. Here's the page. Go click follow. That's where you can capture all of our little takes. Where we have obviously clips. Shout out to Breeze. We need to see if we want to get him as a full-time clipper.
We need a clipper, guys. Clippers, reach out.
Looking for a clipper. Breeze sent me a DM, and that's one DM I have moved up to my pin DMs because I'm like, I will reply to you when I get a chance. But yeah, guys, we are looking for clippers. If you're interested, send us a DM. But yeah, this is where you can capture all of our replays, all of our interviews with everyone. You can scroll all the way back. They'll have everyone. Like Craig was away last week. So
Craig was fired for a day.
I did a bit of art. And whatnot, but yeah, like we have Clemente, we have Betty, like we have heaps. So I need to upload more clips. There's a big dog with the beautiful hair. So yeah, there's lots going on that page. So go click follow over there, guys. And if you want to sign up to GTG, I'll drop the link in the description as well. GC Crypto and GTG. If you want to trade with us every single day. All right, Craig, have a lovely day, mate. And we'll have the big show tomorrow. Big show with all 4 of us tomorrow.
Shout out, Greeny. Look, thanks everyone for tuning in. You guys made it happen, so thank you very much. And we will see you with Kix and Eli tomorrow for no doubt a fucking really great show. So thanks, Greeny. Thanks, everyone. We'll see you tomorrow.
Easy.